Hello folks, Power Target here, learning how to divide fractions. Let's just take something real simple that we can almost visualize. We're going to take 1/2 and we're going to divide it by 1/4. Now let's just see if we can't just visualize this first. Here's 1/2 of a pie, and we're going to divide it by quarters. Well, if we divide it by quarters, there's going to be 2/4, correct? Yeah. All right, so we kind of already have an idea what our answer is here. So let's just show you how you do it. Well, when you have that, you have to use this formula. You have to use the keep it, you have to use the change it, and you have to use, and then you flip it. Keep, change, flip, flip. It would be much easier if it was keep, flip, change, because then it would be KFC, which is, undoubtedly a great chicken. I like Cane's too, but KFC is KFC. But keep, change, flip is what that stands for. Keep, change, and flip. So let's do it. I'm going to rewrite it over here. 1/2 divided by 1/4. We're going to keep the first one. Here's about 1/2. We're going to change the sign to multiplication. We're going to flip the fraction upside down. We can multiply straight across if we want. We can go like this. 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. You can do it that way. It's not the way I do it. I'm going to redo it the way I do it. I'm keeping it. I'm changing it. I'm flipping it. And I always reduce this way if I can. I can divide this by 2. It's 1. I can divide this by 2. It's 2. And then when I multiply across, 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 divided by 1 is 2. I try to use the most direct and easy way, the simplest numbers, and cross-reducing helps do that. So let's take a look at this first problem. 1/4 divided by 9/10. I'll keep it. I'll change it. I'll flip it. See, the 9 over 10 became 10 over 9. I can cross-reduce here. I can divide each of these by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 4 divided by 2 is 2. I can't do anything going this way. So now I just multiply. 1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 9 is 18. 5/18. And we are good to go. I'm going to write that so it's a little more legible. 5/18. Get a little carried away here once in a while. All right, the next one, 5/9 divided by 1/2. Well, keep it, change it, flip it. I can't do anything this way. 9 and 2 don't have any common factors, and 5 and 1 only share 1. Obviously, I can't do anything there. So multiply straight across. 5 times 2 is 10. 9 times 1 is 9. We have 10 9ths, which is the same as 10 divided by 9. It goes in there one time. Got 1 left over, so it's 1 and 1/9. 1 and 1 part out of 9. That remainder becomes our numerator. Do another one. Something funky is going to happen here, I bet, because I see that 6/9 is not in simplest terms. So you could put that in simplest terms right now as 2/3. Or we can just do the keep, change, flip, and that's probably what most of you will do, 1/3. We're going to multiply that by 9/6. So let's go ahead. We're going to divide this side by 3, which is 1. We're going to divide this side by 3, it's 3. Now I could multiply across. But I can also say that, 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 1 times 1 equals 1. 1 times 2 equals 2. It equals 1/2. Okay? I got stuff falling on my desk here. Sorry about that. That's what the crash was. Let's just try doing this 1/3. Change it. And let's go back and make this 2/3. The reciprocal would be 3/2. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. A little cleaner when you do it that way. But it's still going to work. Okay, same thing's going to happen here because we have 8/10. So let's just work it and we'll deal with it at the end. 8/10. We're going to keep, change the sign, flip this guy upside down. You can divide by 5 here, it's 1. Divide by 5 here, it's 2. Divide by 2 here, it's 4. Divide by 2 here, it is 1. Then I can divide by 2 here, it's 2. Divide by 2 here, it's 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 divided by 1 equals 2. Now let's just say we didn't do any cross reducing at all. We keep it, we change it, and we flip it. 8 times 5 equals 40. 10 times 2 is 20. 40 divided by 20 is 2. You get your same answer. If the cross-reducing thing doesn't make sense to you, don't do it. I'm going to do one more and I won't cross-reduce at all. Keep it, 3/8. Change it and flip it. 3 times 8 is 24. 8 times 7 is 56. We have 24/56. So I'm going to divide these both by 8. 24 divided by 8 is 3. 56 divided by 8 is 7. This looks like 3/7. And that's what you would have gotten if you divided by 8 there. There's your 3/7. All right, good luck finishing the rest.